In this video tutorial, we're going to be talking about the volume of a sphere. Here you have a picture of a sphere, and the formula for volume is 4/3 times pi times radius cubed. Let's go ahead and check out a quick example. We have a sphere with a radius of 10 feet. We want to look for the volume. We're going to be using 3.14 for pi, and the final answer will be rounded to the nearest tenth. So let's go ahead and plug in our information. So 3.14 is replaced for pi. Radius of 10 cubed means 10 times 10 times 10. Let's go ahead and multiply these four numbers together. We get 3,140. Go ahead and take this number and multiply that by 4. We'll get 12,560. When you divide that by 3, you'll get 4,186.6 repeating. We need to round to the nearest tenth, so therefore that tenth value will be rounded to 7. And make sure to label feet cubed.